I'm Jagati and I'm the director of Beauty and Beyond. So we came up with the concept inner beauty and outer beauty. We have all skincare and makeup with healthcare also. This is the first store and it's a grand launch. So and makeup we have Rainy, Lakme and all etc. Inner and the concept is beauty and beyond. The concept is inner and outer beauty. We have body mask, index and virtual try-on also.
Hello everyone, myself Govardhan Reddy. So I work for Kondapur Group as a business head. Today is our first store launch of Beauty and Beyond store, a Kondapur Group initiative, and this is our first store at Kondapur, Hyderabad. Part of our 200 stores plan, and we are coming up with next stores in Bangalore to begin with, and as well as other part of geographies in India. And our concept is inner and outer beauty. If you talk about it, outer beauty, we come up with makeup, skin, hair, bath and body, fragrance, and many more categories. And if you talk about inner beauty, like we have come up with millet-based functional foods, energy bars, and also we are going to carry a lot of multivitamins and multi supplements as well as part of portfolio. And apart from this, we do have in terms of makeover try-on, like which will provide us solution for our customers whatever the problems we have in a day-to-day. And also we have body mass index, which will help customer to know their weight and fat levels in the stores, and accordingly the products can be suggested. And we are extremely happy today for a grand launch of our store, and I would like to thank entire team for this great success, and as well as our brand and vendor partners who have really helped us to come up here. And we would like to thank our customers as well for the great response from last couple of weeks over here, and all the media partners over here present. Thank you so much for covering us. We look forward for many stores to come up. So thank you so much once again.